My name is Jared DeVries. I got my degree at Bellingham Technical College, and I've been working with ANCAR for a year and a half. So I grew up in Idaho, and every winter we'd have lots of snow and ice, and so I grew up driving on those kind of conditions. And coming here during the winter times, I really enjoy going out to people's houses when it's really snowy to get them heat, because I get to drive down those driveways that are about a foot of snow. The tip I would have for ANCAR customers is to improve your air quality as best as you can. I grew up with asthma and allergies, still have them, and I'm a strong believer in improving your air quality, whether that's increasing your MERV rating on your filter if you need it, to installing products that will eliminate those allergens from your air so that you can breathe better.